Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at Latitude Adjustment. We are upstairs with the old school Toshiba. This is the Toshiba remote. This is still going to have to utilize a channel 3. So some of us that remember those days, I will show you as we turn the television on. What's going to have to happen is that right now it's set to TV VCR channel 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab the Cableone remote. We're going to push this top right button where it says cable, which is going to activate the cable button. I'm going to try that again. Come on, there we go. So, Jerry Springer, there we go. Haven't seen this guy in a while. As you then cycle through, we'll end up having the opportunity to go through the different channels just as you normally would. Now, if you cannot seem to get this, the actual cable to come on, what you're going to need to do is just recognize, so when you push the DVD button, your DVD becomes active and you can put a DVD in the DVD player and watch the movie. And when you go back to TV VCR, that's what you get. Now, do you see on that top right, and I'll show you one more time, DVD, there it says channel 3. If I change the channel, channel 2, back to channel 3, channel 4, it goes away. So as long as you're on channel 3, you're fine. And that's basically going to be the simple operation of this television. So channel, and then the remote is going to have to be operated from the actual Toshiba right here in order to change the volume. So the volume for these televisions are controlled by the main TV remote and not by the Cableone. So I've been trying to use the Cableone and it does nothing. And that's it. Unless maybe we can try and push the TV button. And no, does not work. So we're going to keep and push the cable button. And then we just turn it off. Turn off the TV. That's it. So that's how you use the upstairs television. And that is in Latitude Adjustment. My name is Joe Hill, DoneRight Management. If you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us at the 634 0030. And that's this particular upstairs loft area.